place your tracing paper over your newsprint, which will protect your table from the Sharpie that you'll be drawing with. Take a moment to study the photos at your table. Look on those with your friends. And we're going to start by drawing the parts of a bull kelp. The place to start is with the holdfast, the part that's actually holding on to the rocks at the bottom. And as I observe these photos, I notice things like the holdfast is almost like the shape of the talon of an eagle's claw as it kind of reaches down and grabs onto the rock. So I'm going to draw a shape that reminds me of what I'm noticing in the photos of those holdfasts. And then I'm going to add the rock shape that it's holding on to. Then I'm going to draw the stipe, the long part that reaches up. And I notice in these photos, as I'm looking at them, it looks strong and thick, but it does kind of get thicker and thinner, and there's a little bit of a wave to it. It's not completely straight. I'll give it a little wave. And then, really interesting part of bull kelp is this float at the top. So we've got the holdfast, the stipe, and then the float. And then I'm going to draw some of these really beautiful and amazing blades coming out from the float. See where they kind of attach, and then they're kind of like a long ribbon. Boy, they go in lots of different directions. I'm going to make kind of an S shape, and then I'm going to go back to the float, and then I'm going to make another S shape, and I'm going to let it cross over the first S shape several times. That gives me that kind of ribbon look. Study the photos of the kelp and draw blades. They can go all in one direction. You could show some going in a different direction. Draw at least 3 of these ribbon-like blades coming out from your float.